To add Afterpay as a payment method on your Shopify store, follow these steps. Sign up for an Afterpay merchant account. First, you need to sign up for an Afterpay account. Visit the Afterpay website and complete the application for a merchant account. After approval, you will receive the necessary credentials to integrate Afterpay into your Shopify store. Install the Afterpay app. Once your Afterpay account is set up, go to the Shopify App Store. Search for the Afterpay app, which is officially provided by Afterpay. Click on Add App to install it. Configure the app. After installation, follow the prompts to configure the Afterpay app. This typically involves logging in with your Afterpay merchant credentials and connecting your Afterpay account to your Shopify store. Enable Afterpay as a payment option. Once the app is installed and connected, go to your Shopify admin panel, click Settings and then Payments. You should see Afterpay as a payment method. Enable it by clicking Activate. Customize the settings as needed. Test the integration. Finally, test the payment gateway on your store to ensure everything is working correctly, and customers can select Afterpay at checkout.